on. Okay, let's start over. It's that, oh, yeah, okay, anyway. I have such one. I haven't done this in a while. Alright, so I need, okay, I'm using a little tabletop tripod for that one there, okay, and I got batteries, I got a cassette, and I got scissors, okay, and then, so I got batteries, here's a tape, here's this one here that I recently repaired. I was rewinding the tape, that's what I was doing, so there it's working like that. Can I see myself in this camera? I can, okay, great. So here's another one that I bought. Came in this box here, right? It's, well, it's already coming apart. Okay, that arrived while I was on vacation. And we'll just hit stop on this, hit play on that. So now I got something playing in the background. Okay, and then I got scissors here somewhere. Can I see myself? Yeah, so I need to, let me arrange this camera a little bit better. Well, that's close enough. Alright, fine. Alright. Okay, so this is already coming apart. We're just ripping this box here. Maybe we don't even need scissors, we can just rip into it. Okay, so just yeah. Okay, so there's that. Here's this, and then here's, yep. There we go. So let me just throw all that away. I don't even need this. Well, I need the scissors now for this, but here's another one, just like the one's playing. Okay, so and then now this doesn't have an AC adapter to it, so I have to put batteries in it to make it work. Alright, there's another one out there for sale. If anyone wants to buy it, I'm not interested in buying anymore. I've got two of these now, so this one is in as good a condition as this other one here. Let's see here. This is actually, well, this one's a little cleaner, somewhat, but this one's got a few scratches on it. This one doesn't have any scratches on it. Well, it's got just wear marks about it and such, but like I said, I bought batteries here. So I've got a bunch of these, what are these? These are, I can't even remember anymore. The Znter batteries, right? So I got 6 fully charged Znter batteries, right? That's coming apart, alright. Let's just get these batteries here and throw them in. Alright, so can I see most? Yeah, they were. So just throw these here. That. And then these here. Okay, then so that. This here. It's gonna work. Alright, so there's that.
It's a vent. Oh.
Yep. Well, that's, yeah, it is. Okay, so we need to. I should have. Well, let's see if. Hopefully that's a good connection right there. Let's see if it's just a switch or something. Well, that's on full. That's that way. Just like that. So the radio should work. It just did briefly. That's on. Probably that the see, that's just off. Okay, well, it worked briefly. The batteries are good. Batteries go in here like that, right? And alright, well, see if the tape player works. Well, it's not getting power, so it's probably needing the things cleaned, because like I said, I just got power in here. Well, you know what? Do we have a power adapter handy? Let's try that. Do we have a power adapter handy? No, we didn't bring one. No, we don't have a wall wart handy. Alright, well, we'll just heck with that. While I'm at it, let me think about this. Yeah, okay. I also ordered these a while back, but this should be 6 or 8 more Znter batteries. Alright, so these are really hard to come by. I really like them because they power that, and so okay, so just kind of, yep. So here's that, here's this. Great, yep. Oh, great, lovely. So here's the little charging cables, and these are, you know, standard USB to Type C. Okay, so there's that. It's a 4-into-1. Here's another 4-into-1. And then here are these batteries. These are the 7,500 milliwatts of power. So these are far better than the other ones I've got going on, and I've got 8 of these. So these are like $10 a battery, or $7, $8 a battery. I can't remember, but so here they are. This is how they come. Here's the last ones of those. So there we go. We got 8 of them. Yay! So these last a lot longer than your standard rechargeable batteries, in my opinion. And they recharge with a USB-C on top there, and they have a little light that goes from red to green when they're red when they're charging, and green when they're fully charged. And these last, these last, and then of course these are polymer batteries, I think, and they don't leak. So you can put them in your box, let the batteries run down, and never have to worry about them leaking. So that's another good feature of these. So that's all I know. So I've unboxed 2 different things here. I have another box here to unbox. We will do this much later when I have time and room to put it away and all that. And I'm going to repair this one here, and that's all I know. So anyway, okay, so much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to take a picture or 2 of that one. Well, here, we can do that now with this camera. Right? And using, forgot I had this lens. I have this lens, it's a wide-angle lens, so it, let's see here. Okay, and I'm using a different battery, which I've been using a long time, so good, 71 minutes. Okay, so how do we set this? Well, just, there's that one. All right, so there's that one playing. Here's another one just like it. The only difference is that this one has that, this one don't. This one, the radio does work.
It's Alec. I don't know why, but
and
vote for Grammys are like 100 years old, and this song is up for a Grammy. So can you imagine just a room full of old?
So there's that, and it's playing tape, and here's another one just like it. Okay, and yeah, looks just like it, and it's a that model there. Okay, and so you can see this one's, anyway, you really can't see it. Okay, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.